Hello YouTube, this is Miguel Delgado aka Chef Miguelito and welcome to Chef Miguelito TV. Today I'm gonna show you how to make tacos Chef Miguelito style. Let's go! So we start this recipe by adding the Masa harina corn flour and the hot water little by little. Make sure you mix it really well. We add the curry powder and salt now, and make sure when you're mixing all the ingredients together that the dough is not too sticky or not too dry. It all depends on the corn flour that you're getting for the Masa harina. Then divide the dough into small 2-inch balls. We're gonna place our balls into the tortilla press between a piece of cut plastic bag. I'm using a Ziploc bag in this recipe. Now in a hot skillet we're gonna place our tortillas 1 minute each side depending on how cooked you like them to be. If you don't have a tortilla container, make sure you put a towel on them to keep them warm. And now it's assembly time. You can add your chicken, or if you have beef from the night before. Here I'm adding chicken, pickled onions, white onions, some cilantro, some sliced avocados, lime juice, lemon juice as well, and some sriracha sauce. This is Chef Miguelito checking out, and if you like unique recipes like this, like the video, comment down below if you like it or not, subscribe my channel so I can bring more videos like this, and I'll see you next time.